Hi everyone, this is Melissa and I've been challenged by your marketing team to explain you the brain in less than 5 minutes. So here we go. So the first thing that you need to understand is that you are training your agents. This is like the first onboarding that you're doing for a new hire. If you want to add knowledge to your brain right now, here you have several options. You can add memories, you can add images, you can add web pages, and you can add documents. And let's review each one. You can start with the memories, and the memories are, in your own words, things that your agents need to remember in order to do things right as you want. Like, for example, if you have a specific way to treat some kind of customer, if how you handle objections on a specific way, or any other kind of thing that you may need them to remember, then you can mention that as a memory. You can also add images. So if I add a knowledge here as an image, you can actually take this as a reference of the look that I want for things. I will upload what I selected. I can select more than one, and then I will have that. Then you can add web pages, and let's check the difference between web pages and websites. Let's say you have this, and this is a website that it's helpmarblism.com. If you copy this URL, your agents will have what it's containing this screen. But if we're talking about web pages, if you click here on Sunny and you go to how to work with Sunny, you will see this screen. This is a web page. You will see all this content. It's going to be added to the memory. So if we copy this URL, you can just add it as a knowledge, as a web page. You can copy this and you will add the web pages. You can select if you want to add the images or not. So now you can see that it has been added already. This is the content of the web page that we added. But one memory that we can use is pricing. If we put here pricing, we can say like our prices are monthly, quarterly, yearly, and add that as a memory. When we add that memory, we have pricing, we have an image, we have a web page, and we have documents. Okay, so I'm going to add a document of a training that I have created for my social media manager. I'm gonna upload it. Then you can actually select who has access to each of your knowledges. In this case, I just want Sunny to know that because it's his training. And one last thing that I want you to know, how to manage the knowledges that you have already uploaded. So you can take, for example, if you have memories, you can edit this. So if you add something, you can publish it again and it will be updated. You can also delete them. You can select more than one. You will have this to select more than one, and then you can bulk delete. Same with the documents. Documents are uploaded here. They are text. You can edit it. You can delete it. And that way you can manage your brain for Marblism. So if you have any questions, you can always leave that in the comments. And I'll be here teaching you more about Marblism.